Students, today we are going to discuss about the position of third group elements in periodic table. In previous class, we studied some common things like as electronic configuration, valency, oxidation state, atomic radius, and their electronature. And today we discussed about the chemical behavior or chemical nature of third elements. We know that in third group 5 elements are present, named boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. In it, boron and aluminium are most essential elements whose are available in Earth. But Al is the most available elements in whole world. According to their presence, we say that aluminium is the max presence metal in whole world. So here we studied their chemical behavior or chemical nature with the help of their chemical reactions. How can we identify their chemical behaviors or chemical natures? So we studied here the reactivity of boron and aluminium with oxygen, means aerobic reaction, reactivity with acids, reactivity with water, and some other reactant who react with metal, especially these metals, and make their different products. So first we discussed about the chemical reactions of boron and aluminium with acids. Reaction with acids. You know that a strong acid whose are used in laboratory, sulfuric acid, H2SO4 पानी, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड HCl, नाइट्रिक एसिड HNO3 and acetic acid CH3COOH. These are the most important acids which are used in laboratory. So we take their chemical reactions for the knowledge, for the study of their chemical behavior. Reaction with sulfuric acid. You know that metals react with acids to form hydrogen gas and make their salt. It is a common concept for metal. All metals react with acids to form hydrogen gas and also make their salt. So we take this reaction for aluminium. Al react with sulfuric acid H2SO4 to form Al2SO4 hold taken 3 and releases hydrogen gas H2. For balancing 2, 3 and 3. How can we make this formula? Al2SO4 का hold taken 3. So you know that in previous class we studied their electro nature. All third group elements make their positive ions, cations. Their ions have 3 unit positive charge. So aluminium make their triple positive ion, Al triple plus. But in the breaking of sulfuric acid after electrolysis, it gives 2 minus. H2SO4 break down their ions to form twice H plus and SO4 2 minus. So here sulfate ion have 2 unit of minus charge. SO4 dual minus. You know that the charge of their ions on their valency. So the valency of sulfate or charge of sulfate is 2 and the charge of aluminium is 3. And for the making of their formula, we cross their valencies to form Al2 because 2 set up of Al. So Al2 and SO4 hold taken 3. So the formula of aluminium sulfate is Al2 SO4 hold taken 3. Now we goes on chemical reaction with hydrochloric acid. So reaction with HCl. Also belong the common concept of metal. The metals react with acids to form hydrogen gas and make their salt. So first we take a reaction for boron. Boron metal react with hydrochloric acid HCl to form BCl3 called boron trichloride and release hydrogen gas H2. For balancing 2, 2, 6 and 3. How can we make boron trichloride? Then we say that boron have 3 unit positive charge and chlorine single unit minus charge. So the charge are shown their valency 1 and charge of boron shown their valency 3. After cross getting valency, then it makes BCl. So the formula of boron trichloride is BCl. Same. It reacts with aluminium to form aluminium trichloride. Here a reaction Al plus HCl gives AlCl3 plus H2 and same digits used for balancing. So we say that the metals of third group elements react with acids to form their salt and release hydrogen gas. Now we take the reaction of nitric acid. A reaction with nitric acid HNO2. Boron react with HNO3 to form boron nitrate. BNO3 hold taken 3 and release hydrogen gas H2. For balancing 2, 2, 6 and 3. As it is, aluminium react with nitric acid, Al plus HNO3 gives AlNO3 का whole taken 3 and plus H2. For balancing we use 2, 6 and 2. So we say that all third A group metals react with acids to form hydrogen gas. Especially most active elements in third A group are boron and aluminum. So the discussion of their chemical behavior or chemical nature of third A group elements is proved that in third A group boron and aluminum are most essential, most important, most active elements because they react with acids to form their salt and produce hydrogen gas. They react with oxygen to make their oxides. They react with water to make their hydroxide. Like as a BOH का whole taken 3. Their hydroxides are BOH का whole taken 3 and AlOH का whole taken 3. Also make their hydroxide. So these are the most active elements. So here we complete the discussion of third A group elements for position in periodic table. Now we goes on the compounds of boron and aluminum. So first we provide a summary of this boron and aluminum compounds. Then we take one compounds for study. First we discussed about the compound of boron. The important compounds are boric acid, boric anhydride, and borax and some other, but these are the most important compounds of boron. Here we studied their formation methods, in formation methods we take their chemical reactions, physical and chemical properties, and then uses. And also we studied a test for BBD. It is named Borax breed test. How can we find out borax breed? With a chemical reaction. It is belong the special character of borax. Now we discussed about the compound of aluminum. Compounds of aluminum, Al. In it we studied the formation of aluminum from bauxite ore. Its formula is Al2O. This is the part of metallurgy because here the extraction of aluminum from their ore. We used here three processes named Bayer process, Hall process and Serpent process, and take their chemical reactions for the finding of alumina from their bauxite. And then aluminium trichloride. And formula of aluminium trichloride is AlCl. So most important compounds of aluminium. Here we studied the formation method, their chemical reactions, their physical properties, chemical properties and their uses. So another class we start the compound of boron and the special features of boron with their compounds.